thanks for joining me in this video. In this video, I just want to go through an email that I've received in regards to the question being, how long does it take to become an artist? So my answer to that would be to first define what you mean by being a good artist. So could it be the quality of work that you're producing? Does it mean fame? Does it mean money to you? Does it mean making folk happy? Making people happy? Or does it simply mean making yourself happy? So it's all about how you define it. It's not so much an answer that somebody can actually give you. It's what's important to you in regards to the principles of being an artist. Also, you're measured by a lifetime of work, not by one piece. At least that's my perception of it. So you're looking at what you're actually producing over a whole lifetime of being an artist. And you can't really sort of narrow it down to just one piece. So there's not sort of a time and place that you eventuate to in becoming an artist in terms of the question, how long does it actually take to become an artist? So you're actually measured by everything that you produce over a lifetime of being an artist. I reckon it's really important to ask yourself, what does it take rather than how long does it take? So what's involved, is it a matter of getting up early, 5 o'clock in the morning and working till such and such time and then working till late hours of the night? Does it mean doing that consistently 7 days a week, or does it mean 5 days a week? So that's probably another question to ask in regards to what does it actually take rather than how long does it actually take. I would always like to look at it this way, that you're actually in the business of manufacturing authenticity, and that's what you are doing as an artist. So with that, it's essentially, I know it's an old sort of worn and used cliche, but it is a journey rather than sort of seeking a destination. And it's not so much that you're actually trying to seek a perfect result in being an artist. I think it was actually Salvador Dali that said that you shouldn't really fear perfection, because there's a good chance you're not actually going to reach it anyway. So with that said, it's always important just to focus on the actual journey of being an artist. So ask yourself, what does it actually take rather than how long does it take? What are you prepared to put in to make it work? There are artists out there who are not that good, and yet they're selling a lot of work, so kudos to them, credit to them, and they're doing it and they're enjoying it and they're loving it. And there's some artists out there who are absolutely fantastic, fabulous artists in terms of the work that they're producing, and they're not selling anything. So it really comes down to how you define it and what's important to you. It could be that those artists that are actually producing this fabulous work that I just mentioned are not really interested in selling the work, and that's fair enough, because it's not always about selling your work. And for the people that have probably not put so much emphasis on actually producing a really, really good product, they've put more emphasis on making it more of a saleable commodity, which is also a fantastic thing as well. The fact is that they have passion behind it and they're enjoying what they're doing, and that's all that really matters. That's how they've defined becoming an artist. And it's not so much about how long does it take, it's what does it take to actually become a good artist. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and thanks so much for watching this video. And that's it for now, and I'll see you again soon. Thanks a lot for watching.